Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Shear's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how we make our wonderful pasta, cream yet amazing pasta with mushroom. It's one of my favorite meals. So we're just going to start by boiling our water, put it in the pot, put your salt and cooking oil, and then put your pasta the Italian style. We are not breaking it the Zimbabwean style. Anyways, we're going to cut our mushrooms. But you guys know what I'm talking about, guys. We break it in 3 pieces here in Zimbabwe. Anyway, these are the spices I'm going to be using. This cayenne pepper, mixed herbs, our royco, and then 6 grills. But not the royco I used, is the mushroom cream royco. Right. Then we're going to fry our onions, put our mushrooms. Fry your mushrooms until you see that you know what, your mushroom is not cooked, but it's almost there. It's not cooked, but it's almost there. You get me? Then we're going to add our spices. We're going to start with cayenne pepper. Guys, I like spicy food, so please do forgive me. Then we're going to add our 6 gum. You just put enough for your flavor so that it doesn't also overpower your pasta. And then your mixed herbs, and then there's our creamy royco. This, if you do not have, you can use flour, guys. So you put your creamy royco and then you put your milk. So you can put flour for the thickening, but I prefer the royco sachet. Then once you've got that, you are going to I was about to say blend your grate your cheese. So there's a video I forgot to take. I thought the camera was on, but the camera wasn't on because I was talking too much. That is putting your cooked pasta into the mushroom sauce that we had made. So this is how is the end result you get. And then you put your cheese, and then you get your yummy yet mouth feeling. So I did make prawns on the side. You can check out the next video that I'm going to post next week. It has the prawn recipe so that you know how to do everything together. So I might post the video after 2 days actually. So you guys don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love ya.